Hey, this is Pat Leach, and this is an etymological study of Noah's Ark and how it's relative to fractal mathematics, Genesis, and the Trinity. Over on Google, let's take a look at the definition of Noah's Ark, which states the ship in which Noah, his family, and the animals were saved from the great flood, according to the biblical account in Genesis chapters 6 through 8. There is also a Noah's Ark mollusk with a boat-shaped shell, but that's irrelevant to this study. So let's take a look at the definition of ark, which is again the ship built by Noah to save his family and two of every animal from the flood. A vessel or sanctuary that serves as protection against extinction, a chest or a box, a large flat-bottomed boat. It is also short for Ark of the Covenant, a chest or cupboard housing the Torah scrolls in a synagogue, and again is this widely distributed mollusk, which is irrelevant to this study. So let's take a look at the same word and spell it differently. Let's spell it with a C, and we get a completely different definition. This arc is defined as part of the circumference of a circle or other curve, a curved shape or something shaped like a curved trajectory indicating the inverse of a trigonometrical function. More importantly, a luminous electrical discharge between two electrodes or other points. The development or resolution of the narrative or principal theme. And when applying action, we move with curving trajectory, forming an electrical arc. Let's expand the word arc and add "ain" to form arcane, which means understood by few, mysterious, or secret. Now let's have a look at the word trinity because it's relative to where we're going with this. A trinity is a group of three people or things, or the state of being three. Now let's have a deeper look at the word Noah. Who is Noah? Or what is Noah? Let us isolate and scrutinize the four characters: the N, the O, the A, and the H. Each letter, character, or symbol is a representation of a degreed arc. This thought construct requires a bit of creative imagination, so step inside the box. Being that the Ark of the Covenant referred to the Jewish Torah scrolls in the synagogue, we will read this right to left as they do in the Hebrew language, starting with the H, which is the chest, or the box, the square, the cube, the coordinate, the covenant, followed by the A, which represents the 180-degree arc and its fractal scale, followed by the O, which is the 360-degree arc, and lastly, the N, which is a representation of the 90-degree arc. These arcs create the Trinity and are the routes of pi and tau through the cuboidal system, which is represented by the H as the covenant, the house of the Trinity of the three arcs of Noah. Noah's Ark is a metaphysical representation of the fractal mathematics of creation and how the tier system spirals its way from spirit into matter.